It's a beautiful day in Heartlake City today, and the Darlington triplets have arrived at the Amusement Pier, and they want to ride the new ghost ship terrain roller coaster. And look, Violet fits just under there thanks to her pigtails. And let's see about Harry. Yeah, he's going to fit, and I don't know about Alex, but he's happy because he's just got his balloon. But nobody's going on any rides yet because we're going to open up the Lego People Pack, the Fun Fair edition, and see what we can add to our Amusement Pier from this. There are so many cute things in this. You just wait and see. Welcome to LEV Toys. There are 14 minifigures included in this set. So let's meet them. So first up, we've got some pants here. They are splashed all over with splattered paints. Oh, she's wearing overalls. So the overalls are entirely splattered over with paint. So is she painting some of the amusement park rides? I don't know. Let's put her hair on, and then let's give her her accessory, which is a paintbrush with a new orange paint color on it. This is cool. This is very cool. And she's got a job. And let's find out what her job is. She's not actually painting the rides. She is doing face painting. Here is her orange. That's actually the same color as what she has on her brush. We've got black, we got green. Well, she has. And she's got white and blue. And what else does she need? She needs pink. And we'll just put some little legs on this. So she has got a full palette to be able to do face painting. That's so cute. Let's see if I can get her. She kind of just looks like she's stabbing the paint when we do it like that. Emma is very excited by this too. She's right in there. She wants to see what's going on. And well, let's get our next little character out. Little legs she's got. So this is going to be, a kid. And she has already had her face painted, or she's in the middle of getting her face painted as a tiger. It's so cute. That's the same orange shade that is on the brush. Isn't that so cool? So she can hang out over here with the face painter lady. Looks like Alex has lined up to be next. He wants his face painted next. I wonder what he's going to choose. Maybe a unicorn. Maybe. I think he'd probably really like a unicorn. Or a fairy. Butterfly wings. What do you think he should have his face painted as? Let me know in the comments and we'll build the next character who's also got little legs. So it's going to be another kid. This kid has got the Spaceman, or the Spaceman T-Shirt, and let's find his head. Ooh, he's got freckles and a cheeky grin, and he has got a blue cap, which this is kind of boring until you add this new piece. It's a propeller hat. This is so exciting, even though it doesn't really spin around very freely. He's got a propeller hat. And yeah, okay, so Harry is also incredibly excited about this idea. So let me see if I've got another cap. I do. This doesn't come in the set. This is just a spare red cap that I have from another set. They have holes in them, which is good because we have a spare propeller. That does come in this set. So Harry can hang out with his new friend, Propeller Boy, calling him Propeller Boy, and he can be other Propeller Boy, or aka Harry, and they've both got little propeller hats now. Oh my goodness, and they're running off to try out one of the rides. Hold on, we haven't finished yet. Who said you could go on the rides? Oh, they're just ignoring me. Well, I'm quite used to that. They're heading off to go on the underwater loop ride. Let's see. Let's just make sure they're at least safely in the ride before we go and build some more characters. And the little propeller boy has to stand up because his legs don't bend. So that doesn't look safe to start with at all. But we'll just make sure the ride goes nice and steadily. And then we can just leave them at the top while we build some more characters. I think that's a good idea. You hang out up here, boys, and we'll see who we've got next. We've got some blue legs and a top with braces and a tie. This is very cute. And a very happy face. He's only got one face, this guy. And he's got a purple, enormous, an oversized top hat. I think he might be a clown. In fact, he's making balloon animals. He's making a balloon sausage dog. And this one's blue. I've already got pink ones and green ones, but now we got blue ones. And he's on stilts. He's going to need two or he's going to topple over. So he has got... Oh, he's like a stilty clown, balloon animal making clown. And look, Alex has given up waiting for his face to be painted. He would definitely like this sausage dog balloon. I think he's going to have all the balloons. That's really, really awesome. Off he goes. He's going to go and hopefully make another balloon, though only one comes in this set. He's going to show Violet, and let's hope Violet doesn't get too jealous. We'll build the next character. So this just looks like a guy. This is a guy. He's got a bit of stubble. He's got a flannelette check shirt. Oh, but he's got some black, really curly hair, and he's got a blue ring, a toss ring, which I've just put over his head because I couldn't actually toss it over his head. Let's put it in his hand. Oh, he could use this for like dog trick training, except this set doesn't come with a dog. There's plenty of fish hanging around here because this is like the amusement pier, so let's train a fish. Oh look, amazing! The orange fish can jump through the hoop. Okay, let's see. Let's stop doing that. And let's see who else is hanging out with this guy. It looks like it might be his wife. She is really, let's make her not super happy to be here, but she looks very happy to be here. She got happy and happier. She's got short hair. This is really nice. It's nice to see some shorter hair for the ladies. It's really cool. And she's got a blue hoop as well, which means now our goldfish has to be trained to jump through 2 hoops. Let's see. Wow, it's amazing. There's not even any water, but that's not what they're actually intended for. So let's build the third character that is supposed to go with this little part. She's a little kid, and she is, oh, she's happy and super happy. Let's go with happy. That's such a cute face. She's got a new hairpiece with a high, really formal bun. That is a lot of hair. If that hair was all out, I reckon it would touch the ground. She doesn't actually get a hoop. Well, that's a bit sad. Pretty sure her dad and her mum will let her have the hoops after we finish building the game that the hoops go with. Because the hoops are not actually for training goldfish to jump. Pretty sure you already knew that. Let's see what it is actually for. We've got red and white alternating here. We've smoothed over the top, and in the middle we've got a spinny bit, which is good. Look, oh, can you not do that? I'm trying to build. Hop off. Let's put the... Oh, more spinny. Oh, actually, that spins even better. Now she's back on. Hop off, because that's not what's supposed to go on here. It's supposed to be for some little rubber duckies. We've got not just one. We've got 2, 3 little rubber duckies for this game. How awesome is that? Oh my goodness, I love these rubber duckies. Okay, so who's having first go? I think the little girl should have first go. Let's see if she can... Yay! She's super happy now because she just won one of the rubber duckies. I'm not sure they're the prize, but that's so... Oh, it is so adorable. All right, they're going to hang out over here. We're going to see who else we've got now. We've got some grey pants. We've got a rocker here. And he's got a mullet. Oh, wow. That hair should have remained in the 80s. Oh, what's on the back of his shirt? Oh, it's a band tour shirt. That's really cool. Oh, but, oh my goodness. Oh, it's got a purple teddy. Oh, and Violet is straight in here. Oh, wow. She is focus stared on there, and so is Emma. They both want this teddy. There's only one, though. Who is going to win the teddy? Well, we're going to have to build the game, the Sideshow Alley game that goes with the teddy, and see who's going to win it. They're like eyeballing each other. Okay, let's concentrate on building we got 2 targets here. Our game, and it's obviously a shoot the target kind of game, and the target's going to flop down at the back if you actually shoot it. So that seems pretty simple. A bit too simple. There's only one teddy bear. If they can win this too easily, then there's going to be some arguments. Now, here is our little pistol, which is actually a water pistol. And let's see how this goes. So we can... there we go. That was really slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Let's try the middle one. So I've got 2 out of 3. If I get the third one, the purple teddy is mine. Oh, I accidentally hit Emma. Oh dear. All right, so I don't get to win the purple teddy. We'd better load up this water pistol again. We'll put it over here, and we'll put a purple teddy up here on the prize spot. And this guy's in charge now, so let's hope he's up to the challenge. Okay, there are actually... Oh, I just wanted to tell you that there's another propeller. So 3 propellers in this set and another paintbrush too. So that's cool. Some extras. All right, let's meet the next character who has got dark blue pants. So that's not really very distinguishing. And wearing like a little vest and 2 faces. So let's put on the kind of happy face. Pretty happy about life. Oh, he's got Superman hair. He's got the Superman hair with a little curl down the middle. And he has got a hot dog. All right. Okay, so hot dog guy. let's give you your hot dog and you can wander off. I might send you over to supervise. Yeah, supervise what's going on over here, which doesn't look too good, actually. We've got some more blue pants. Who's wearing these blue pants? Somebody with a leather jacket and, check this out. This is like a rockabilly outfit. She looks really, really cool, really groovy. Is groovy even a word that people use these days? She's got a job though. She is adamant that she is going to win the strong woman competition. She's going to need an enormous mallet for that. And here it is. So this is for whapping. Let's just put it in a hand and check it out. Yep, excellent whappability. Lovely. But what's she going to whap? Let's build that. Let's find out what she's going to whap. It's not the other people at the fun fairground. That would not be a good choice. We got a little tiny levery thing here. And this is so colourful. So yellow, it's yellow and red. So bright. And we've got a whole heap of lights lining the side. And we got some more orange lights and then green. So we're going from green, orange, red. So it's like really fancy stoplights. This is pretty. Look at this printed piece. That's very, very pretty. And this slides in here. So this goes up and down very freely. That's so clever. And we've got a big, this is the bell on the top. That's the gold bell, which is supposed to go ding when you actually hit it. But it doesn't because it's all just plastic. So you're just going to have to imagine it goes ding, 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 ding. Is that annoying yet? Let's try it again. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, that one actually dinged and it didn't actually go up. That's really, really awesome. So she's going to have a great time just whapping that. I don't know what the prizes are for that. But Stephanie, totally competitive nature, wants a go at this. So let's... Yep, she's good at it too. Awesome, Stephanie. This is great. We can add these to all of our fairground things. Mia, you can't hit it with fairy floss. That's ridiculous. Oh dear. All right, let's see who we've got next. We've got some kid legs, and that's a really cute shirt. Look, the different color, like the sleeves are different colors. Cute little freckles on this guy with a swooshy hair, and he has got a brand new colored ice block. It's translucent dark blue. There's already a light blue one, but this one's dark blue. Oh, but he looks a little bit lost. I don't know where he got that ice block from, but Olivia is going to look after him with a rubber duck that just... Control your rubber duck, Olivia. Let's see who he belongs to. He's actually lost because he came here with his grandparents. We haven't built them yet. So here's his grandma who has come out in her purple tracksuit. I'm trying to figure out which head... Oh, the eyebrows are slightly different. That seems to be it. That could be her slightly worried eyebrows because she can't find her grandson. But might be because she wandered off to get a coffee. Once again from somewhere I don't know where from. So she's got a coffee, he has got an ice block, and look at that. They're reunited. she's licking his ice block. So obviously nobody was too worried. Was I the only person that was worried there? Actually, I'm still worried because the grandparents are both wearing tracksuits. Matching tracksuits. Oh, they're not quite matching. So Granddad's here is a red tracksuit, and he has got an ice cream in an ice cream cone. Nice. So Granddad's here, Grandma's here, and here's their grandson with his little ice block. But where did they get it from? Well, they got it from this girl with the really, really cute ice cream striped shirt. She's got two faces. Let's put on this one. And she's got a hat. Let's turn this around because she's obviously going to be out in the sun. So we'll put the sunglasses on with her cap. And she's got some change, 5 cents. Looks like she's come out looking for the grandparents because she forgot to give them their change when they bought their ice cream and their coffee, but she now needs somewhere to actually sell the ice cream and the coffee from. So let's build that. Let's see how that goes together. So this is very cute. We've got some hooks out one side, and this is the little ice cream dispensary thing. Well, the ice cream holder doesn't dispense ice cream. You hold it in there and it tips on its side so that the lid is on the top. And this printed, wow, that's so cute. The signs, there's 2 of them for both sides. That is super duper cute. Oh my goodness. All right, this is officially my most favorite little ice cream cart ever out of all the ice cream carts that I've built. These wheels are the wheels that have been introduced with the wheelchair design, and they go perfectly on this. So we've got our little ice cream cart. So how are they going to move this around? Do they need a horse? No, they need this. Wow, actually, this is really new. This is like part of a bike. This is like the bike frame, and it clicks in, not quite like that. It clicks in there, and she can ride. That's really, really awesome. Except I can't get her hands to go on because the handlebars are all movable, and I don't have anything to push them against. Oh, I give up. Oh, you know what? I think that Stephanie can just be the ice cream girl now. So let's take this hair, because I was thinking as soon as I saw this hair with the cap, perfect for Stephanie. So Stephanie, you got a new job. So Stephanie is now in charge of the ice cream cart. And we'll just put the change in here because there's actually no ice cream left in there. And she gets a little umbrella just to add a bit of shade because she's going to be out in the sun with these ice creams. Okay, so this is where they got the ice creams from. Where did this guy get his hot dog from? This is a bit confusing. Token hot dog. Okay, he's wandered off to see where he got the hot dog from. We've finished. Now we've got all the guys out from the Fun Fair People Pack. Oh, and there is some serious competition over who gets to keep the purple teddy bear. Well, in the end, it's going to be me, but let's not tell them that, shall we? Not for a while. Now, while I was putting this set together, I had a record amount of knocking over of the minifigures and mini dolls. I want you to count how many times I knocked them over. Here is the unedited footage. Are you ready? Let's go.